The first impression about this event is that we have a lot of new stuff and new colleagues from different companies, different industries, and everybody taking care about the future development of the energy transformation. And everybody is considering that we are moving very fast. We have a high percentage of renewable generation here, and what will be considered is the next step. So my first feeling that everybody is considering the future, not now. I would like to say that not only in PV industry, but also in the renewable industry. PV industry is just one of the renewable resources. We have wind, we have water, we have everything here. I would like to say first, we will see the electrification of the whole industry and the whole world. We will see more EV cars, we will see more power consumption at home, and industry in the industry, and in the whole country. But after that, you need to consider that where we find the electricity from PV, from wind, and maybe from water. So we need to consider that water resources is limited here in Austria, not only in Austria but around the world. So we will find more PV, we will find more wind. So I consider that now in Austria we have around 80%, almost 80% of the renewable energies. Up to 2030 we'll have 100% renewable energy generation. So, but the 20% is not the only thing we have to focus. We still need to consider, as I said, electrification of the whole society. That means we will have even 150 or 200 demands. So the photovoltaic industry and the wind industry will be the future power generation resources. That's my nice understanding of this industry in Austria. Some people may consider Huawei as a smartphone maker or IC players, but we have been in this electronic industry for almost 20 years. And we have a lot of very good solutions like the cooling system, like the electronic devices and the power system. We redefine this industry with digital tools and electronic tools. You combine these digital tools and electronic tools, you can manage the power generation, power consumption more efficient. And also you can make the power generation, power consumption more stable. So that means you utilize digital technology, electronic technology to make each energy can generate more power, and you make each power can be consumed in a proper way. Everything will be imaged in a different way. But I believe that two things are more important to the customer. First, all the customer, individual and companies, they will think in the future all the energies they consume is green. That's important to protect ourselves, not the planet, but ourselves. Because the planet is for here, millions of years, billions of years, but as human, we're just here for hundreds, thousands of years. So we are protecting ourselves. This is the first. The second, I believe that everybody will try best as a society, as an individual, and an industrial player, will try our best to utilize all the resources, renewable resources we have here, and to utilize all the powers we're generating. And after that, I believe green and more efficient life will be in our life in the future. Our philosophy of the company that are the following 3 points. First, I believe that is customer-centric. So always you take care of your customer, about the services, about the benefits you can create for them, and you're responsible very fast to them, and you solve their questions. So that is the first point. The second point, that is about the concentration, or we call it dedication, and we concentrate to each industry. If we do that industry, we'll do it in a better way, and we will provide the best solution, the best product. You have seen that Huawei in the ICT industry, like the telecom operators, we have very good cooperation and market share over there. In the smartphone industry, we have very good smartphones everybody is using. So it's the second one. So the last one that we have a different and the special motivation system inside the company for each employees. Each employees we have share about the company with the company. So we grow together with the company, and we create the value for the company, but also we create value for ourselves. So I believe that those are the differences we have. The message is to the customer and to the industry players. I would like to say that Austria is a very good place to have some innovations. And that's it. We have a very high renewable energy generation rate, and we have very good weather here. We have flat, let's say, land here. All those kind of, and we have very good economy here. All those kind of elements can help us in this region, in Europe, to have kind of pilot in the renewable energy industry, to make that renewable generation more stable, more efficient. So I hope that we can have some innovation project here. I can put the resources from the company and help the local industry to be the pioneer of the whole region.